Example number 2, which is a little bit more complicated. We will start by looking at this equation here, and we want to let's say has a roots of alpha plus beta. So we will start by looking at the sum of the roots. So alpha plus beta in this case is negative b over a, and in our case b is negative 3, so it's negative 3 divided by 2, or 3/2. And alpha beta, the product, is equal to be c over a, and in our case c here is 1, so it's 1 over 2. And now we're going to consider finding the sum of alpha square plus beta square. Well, we start by looking at, well, alpha square plus beta square is very similar to alpha plus beta everything square. So let us consider this. And this is equal to alpha square plus 2 alpha beta plus beta square. Or in another word, this can be written as alpha square plus beta square minus plus 2 alpha beta. Reorganizing this means alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta everything square minus 2 alpha beta. So now we need to find the sum. Our sum here is 3/2. So it's 3/2 square minus 2 of the product, which is half. So I will get 9 over 4 minus 1. So beta over alpha plus alpha over beta. Well, what does that mean? Well, first, let's take the addition of this. So it's alpha beta square plus alpha square. The numerator is just what we have calculated, that is 5 over 4. And the denominator, alpha beta, is half. So in other words, this is 5 over 4 times 2, which is going to be 5 over 2. And here's the answer. Consider these equations. First of all, let's just find the sum of the roots alpha beta. So alpha plus beta, in this case, is negative b over a. So in this case, b is 1, so it's going to be negative 1 over 4. And alpha beta, that's the product. Alpha beta is c over a. In this case, it's negative 8. Negative 8 over 4, which is negative 2. So this is what we get. Then now we consider this. We want to find the quadratic equations with these roots. So the sum of these roots, there's a sum, in this case, will be 1 over alpha square plus 1 over beta square. So that is taking the sum of that with the common denominator of alpha square beta square. That will be beta square plus alpha square. In other words, this is alpha plus beta everything square minus 2 alpha beta. Recall example number 1 previously. So now I can do all the algebra. Alpha plus beta is known, which is negative 1 over 4 everything square minus 2 alpha beta, which is the product, is equal to negative 2 above, over alpha square beta square is just basically alpha beta quantity square. So putting things together, this is 1 over 16 minus 2 times minus 2, it will be plus 4 over alpha beta, in this case is minus 2, everything quantity square. So I have 1 over 16 plus 4 divided by 4. So I'll get an answer to that one. Next, I have to consider the product of this 1 over alpha square times 1 over beta square, which is just 1 over alpha beta everything square, which is 1 over negative 2 everything square, which is 1 over 4. Y is equal to x square minus sum of the roots x times x plus the product of the roots. So in our case, now for b, we'll do something very similar. So first we need to consider the sum, alpha minus beta plus beta minus alpha, which you can see is alpha and negative beta and plus beta all cancel off. That means it's equal to 0. That's easy, the sum is 0. Whereas the product is this, which is alpha beta minus alpha square minus beta square and then plus alpha beta. So we'll have 2 alpha beta minus alpha square plus beta square, which the algebra is 2 alpha beta minus the big bracket here, which is alpha plus beta from example number 1 minus 2 alpha beta minus alpha plus beta everything square plus 2 alpha beta, or 4 alpha beta minus alpha plus beta everything square. So remember what is alpha beta? Our alpha beta from above is -2, and then alpha plus beta is -1/4. So -2 and -1/4. So alpha beta is -2 minus -1/4 everything square, quantity square. So I have -8 minus 1 out of 16. So that will be -8 and 1 out of 16. So then the equations now will be y is equal to x squared. The sum here is 0, so there is no, like 0x, and then minus 8, 1 out of 16. So the equation is really x squared minus 8, 1 out of 16.